Talk about your weekend. Level 2, Lesson 1. Learn English with Deep. What do you do on the weekend? What are the words? Sleep, sleep. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Meet friends. Meet friends. Play badminton. Play badminton. Go to a restaurant. Go to a restaurant. What do you do on the weekend? I usually sleep. I sometimes ride a bike. What do you do on Saturdays? I usually meet friends. I sometimes play badminton. What do you do on Sundays? I usually get up late. I never get up early. Guess the questions. What do you usually do on the weekend?
I like to meet friends and surf the internet.
Okay. I usually get up late. How about you?
Yes, I usually get up at noon.
Do you often play sports? I play football every weekend.
No, I never play sports.
What do you do on Sundays?
I usually meet friends or sleep.
Talk about your weekend.
What do you usually do on the weekend?
I like to meet friends and go to a restaurant.
Ah, okay. I usually get up early. How about you?
No, I never get up early. I usually get up late.
Do you often play sports? I play badminton every weekend.
Yes, I do. I like sports. I play badminton also.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I sometimes ride a bike or watch a movie.